कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka National People's Party Meghalaya State Unit kala dep pha ya ka jing ajing mot sha ka National Committee jang ka party ha ka bai day bat ka jing tarwa ya ki kerteng ban Pynïakhun ya ka election siteng samoy ka ban long ha Gambegre constituency ha ka jing kran mikila pathai ku bor National President jang NPP kwanrat kongkal sangma ha ka jing kran mikila pathai ku bor ha ka shpautre unaitung arjap sa le thu bashan ka National Committee jang ka party kan sa shom perkhat ha ka bai day ba ka jing penpana ya ka kerteng jang u lani ka kertong.
Well, we have received a recommendation from the State Committee of the National People's Party, but the National Committee has not yet sat down. So only once the National Committee sits down will the proposal that has been sent by the State Committee be finalized. So we are still waiting for that. So it will be difficult for me to give a reply right now.